Longa. Going by wow, still no go. Both of these teams still without a basket. Renz Palma, could this end the drought? Yes, sir. First
back, second. You cannot afford to start slow. As Renz Palma's first shot was blocked, but you know, because of his aggressiveness para sa Negros.
Elorde out to Jervy Cruz, stops, pops, gets the increased his range beyond that three-point line.
Yeah.
Cunha still could not hit from the outside. Kyle Tolentino early, and Kyle will be able to knock down.
You know, Kyle Tolentino has earned this spot. And making another three-pointer, napatigil ako dun sa aking punto. Pero just
Rodriguez trying to go down low to Fajarito, gets it in centers and helps South Cotabato to an early advantage. But we are all against Antiporda, Cruz, Comia, Brix Ramos, and Mark Atabay. Oh, foul strong. The tap back to Cruz. Jem wanted a foul. Comia ends up with it, and Comia scores on the floater.
Very scrappy itong Negros offense in that situation, but they were still able to get a two-pointer from that.
Oh, that. Our referees are solving that right away. Dumapig able to get the left hand behind his comfort zone. He gives it back out. Cani rejects the screen. Cani all the way to the cup.
Cani just
has been bruising his way past the defense here in the second quarter. Apreku, well-timed cut on the basket.
Yeah, you really have.
Still with the basketball. Two on the shot clock. Comia had to take it, and he makes it. 12 points. That's a difficult-looking jumper. He's made a lot of that during the course of his career. Renz Palma, the dipsy too.
Renz Palma as a forward.
Capobres goes behind the back, working against the defense of Marvin Jonicio. Eventually,
tinahanda. Ang trabaho ko was to defend the other guys' offensive threat. And then, you know, offensively, if I score, then okay. If not, okay lang then. But you know, you have to pick your spots. You have to pick your spots. You have to know your role.
Oh, block right there was Christian Fajarito, but he recovers. It scores
in this league.
Slow start once again, just like their game against Bulacan. Kaunan floats it up.
Actually, I really feel that kasi now that I see, you know, younger players, you know, playing, natutuwa ka on how they improve their game.
Enzo Hosiel, and that's why he trusts Coach Elvis Tolentino to be able to maintain that star status. Closer, short on the one-hander. Palma only has Hosso to beat. He will go all the way. Renz Palma for 2 by 7 right now after the end of the first 20. Elorde cuts inside. They go to the left. Tolentino pulls up for 3 off the bounce. That's good para kay Kyle Tolentino.
Kyle Tolentino meron ng 4 na parang maski sinong kaharap niya gusto niyang atakihin. As you see the cutting Comia and a good pass by Renz Palma.
Away, Kaunan could not get the tip in to go. Elorde to Kyle. Hand in the face, no problem para kay Kyle Tolentino.
Grabe yung
story so far. 8 out of 20 for South Cotabato. Only 1 out of 7 for Negros. Kyle Tolentino this time inside the paint gets his first 2 points.
With 3 rebounds.
That just goes to show how highly skilled the players are. Right after that traveling call, he felt like it was a clean move by Pio Longa. But John Wilson gives the lead back to South Cotabato in the fourth quarter. Cani short on the 3. Elorde leaves it for Wilson. Back-to-back trays for John Wilson.
Good fight.
A little bit too tight there, down low. Hoss on top of the circle. 3 is money.
Good decision by Larry Rodriguez. Just wait.
Top, a little bit of a zone still so far here for South Cotabato. They go to the corner. Longa, he can hit that, and he makes it.
And that's how.
Down by 2 itong Negros. That's only the second 3-point shot of the game para dito sa Negros, while John Wilson
is very, you know, it's very deceiving. He's not that most athletic guy you see in the court. Pero iba yung plus na nabibigay ni Larry Rodriguez na
Who's having trouble with the rock. Palma. Catch, set, fire, splash.
good recognition by Jem Cruz Libre, Renz Palma. And Renz Palma just
Mapig. Tolentino leans in a little bit too strong. Tolentino gets it back. Acuna, step to the right three. Sorry, step to the left. They find Chris Dumapig underneath.
yun yung veteran move eh, na meron na siyang
Almost 3 minutes gone by here in the final quarter. Elorde will take it from 3. That's short. Pajarito over everybody inside. Gets the basket plus the foul.
Pajarito.
On the system he is trying to instill, trying to perfect each time, especially in this third.
Find it weird.
Well, whatever works for you, Wes. And that works para kay Renz Palma. 20 puntos na sa laro na to. Cuts the lead to 3. Tolentino answers. What a cold-blooded shot by Kyle Tolentino every time. Gusto niya lang naman na tumaas yung kumpiyansa mo, no?
Exactly. I mean, yun yung that's the good thing about Coach eh.
This guy isn't short of confidence. Never at all. John Wilson knocking it from behind the arc. Comia. Negros needs a basket here. Cani knocks it down for them.
Biglang lumalayo.
Cani, can he go back to back? Yes, sir. Rattles that 3 down.
Big three-pointers for Hubert Cani.
Longa in an island. Cani comes through and helps. Comia is free for those 2 points.
Good defense. Bad turnover.
Last couple of minutes here for Negros. Quick spin to the baseline. Pajarito has it tapped from behind. Dionisio, the fake and the score. To Hoson. Hoson and Longa. Familiar foes in the UAP. Pajarito to bail them out. What a big shot para kay Christian Pajarito.
Big, very big shot para dito.
Brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas. Shot clock winding down here for Negros. Atabay inside, redeeming himself for that last miss.
Good
Who wants another one? This time it's from Pajarito. Elorde from 18 feet. Nico Elorde drains another clutch shot for South Cotabato. Earlier, that's blocked by Pajarito. Comia has 20 in this game. Kaunan from the elbow. Big shot for Rick. 22. Here comes Hubert Cani. Cani will take it. The step back off the blast. Hubert Cani. It's up against Renz Palma. Dionisio sets the screen. Tolentino is on the left side. Elorde goes to Pajarito. He fires for 3 and he backs it off too. What is happening? Big shot after big shot. Hit after hit. Haymaker after haymaker. But in the end, South Cotabato holding on for that victory.
Grabe, I mean, ang hirap manalo for Negros.
7 3-pointers in the game para kay Kyle Tolentino. 23 points, 8 rebounds, plus a couple of assists to give South Cotabato this 7-point victory, 81-74. Our final score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas. Kyle Tolentino is at courtside with Miss Mika Bisapis.
Our bonus player of this game.